being right. Who's the one who wants to stay on the right side? Nobody wants to be right, right? You want to stay on the left, right and left. We talked about politics today in Italian. But politics in Italian, left and right, means the same thing. On the left side, there are people who work hard and never get what they work for. They usually get, maybe, if they're lucky, 30-40% of what they work. As much as you work, as less as you get. Now the law is different. Doesn't matter if you're smart or not. You gotta pretend, you gotta have the right friends. You gotta do the right jobs. They say mistakes are costly. They say errors teach. But what about the ones who didn't? And what is gonna happen if they don't fail? We do everything. We did everything by the book. Every line, every rule, every expectation. Check, double check it, and spend time and struggle. We deliver, we perform, we shine, and yet the world still finds the way to punish. Yeah, that's the world goes. We see it clearly. The mistake makers stumble. They fall, and somehow the world pats them on the back. We do not stumble, we do not falter. We are precise, we try to be precise, more productive. We are careful, and still we are blamed. For what? For showing that it can be done. If I can do it, everybody can. For reminding them that there is a way to get it right. More than one way to get it right. It seems that perfection provokes envy, suspicion, and strange, relentless pressure. And what is hilarious, maybe, is we are not perfect, and that's not perfection. But we didn't fail that much. We are caught in the paradox. In the paradox, to err is human, but to be flawless, that is a crime. So yes, we know how to do it right. We know how to plan, how to anticipate, how to execute, how to perform, we can say that. And yet the reward is absence. The recognition is silence. And the punishment, it finds everybody anyway. Maybe the world loves the chaos more than the order. Maybe the world needs mistakes to forgive itself. But we are learning they are not. We are learning that being right is not freedom, actually. No. It is a lonely battlefield. So, what about errors? Errors are human. Improve is human too. I would say that it's more human to improve and learn than systematically commit mistakes and punish those who don't. Have a good night.